How can pop-up drink stands identify hidden business costs? Pop-up drink stands can identify hidden business costs by carefully analyzing all expenses beyond the obvious ones, like ingredients and rent. Hidden business costs are expenses that are not immediately clear or visible when running a pop-up drink stand. For example, you might think you only need to pay for the fruit, cups, and a spot to sell your drinks, but there are many other costs that can add up. One hidden cost is waste, such as spilled drinks or unsold items that have to be thrown away. Another is the time spent setting up and cleaning the stand, which might not seem like a cost but is important because it takes away time you could use to sell more drinks. Also, fees for permits or licenses might surprise some owners if they didn't plan for them. Sometimes there are costs for marketing, like printing flyers or social media ads. Even small things like electricity for a blender or water for cleaning can add up. Knowing these hidden costs helps you price your drinks right so you don't lose money. Many people think that the cost of making the drink is all they need to consider, but ignoring hidden costs can make a business lose money without realizing it. One common mistake is underestimating how much waste affects profits. If you don't track how many drinks you throw away, you won't know how much money is lost. Another misconception is that time spent on tasks like cleaning is free when really it has value because it keeps the stand running smoothly. Some also forget to check local rules about permits and end up paying fines, which could be avoided with research. The best tip is to keep a daily log of all expenses and activities so nothing slips through the cracks. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.